how to sound more fluent instantly in Spanish using these 3 filler words. ¿Estás listo? Venga, vamos. Muy buenas a todos. Soy Patri, ya me conocéis. And today I want to address a problem that I think all Spanish students have. When you speak Spanish, you feel like you're saying everything perfectly correct, just like they taught you in those books, but you actually sound completely unnatural and robotic. Ven, que te voy a contar un secreto. It's actually not about using fancy words that they teach you in the books. It's actually about these little words that natives use all the time. Introducing the filler words. Okay, but what are the filler words? Espera. They're those small words you say when you hesitate or when you need to connect ideas. In Spanish, just like in English, we love them. I think in Spanish even more. And if you use them correctly, you'll sound 10 times more natural. Makes a huge difference between going from saying from saying Such a huge difference. I know it can sound annoying, but it is what it is. La primera, tenemos pues. Pues. It means something like well, or so. It's absolutely fantastic to start an answer or to show that you're thinking. Por ejemplo, oye, ¿qué vas a hacer esta tarde? Pues no sé, quizás vaya al cine. Well, I don't know. I might go to the cinema. It sounds relaxed, it sounds natural, and not stiff like voy al cine. Pues no sé, quizás vaya al cine. Puntazo. Número 2, tenemos entonces. Entonces. It means then or so. Entonces. It helps you move the story forward or explain consequences. Por ejemplo, salí tarde del trabajo, entonces perdí el tren. I left work late, therefore I missed my train. In Spanish, we don't miss trains or buses or flights, we lose them. Perdí el tren, perdí el avión. Top tip. Notice how I've put that entonces in the middle to link it, to show the consequence of me leaving work late. Without it, the story sounds a little bit choppy, but with it, it sounds smooth. Número 3. This one used to be considered a very posh phrase that only like posh girls, pijas or cayetanas, used to use. At least when I was growing up, everybody would, make fun of it and just incorporate it in phrases to make fun of yourself, but it's actually very, very common. And that is, o sea. That was the way my friends would make fun of me at school. O sea. Whenever somebody said o sea, that was the way to make fun of that person. But nobody's going to make fun of you nowadays to say it. O sea. Literally, that is to say. But really, it's like, I mean, or you know. We use it to clarify, correct, or sound natural. Era muy tarde, o sea, casi medianoche. It was very late. I mean, almost like midnight. O sea, clarificando. And plus point, because you can also use it to buy you some time when you're thinking. Bueno, o sea, no sé. Top tip at the end, don't overuse them. Just sprinkle them naturally in the conversation. Listen to natives, copy how we pause and how we use them, and play around. Now, I want to see in the comments which other filler words do you know and do you use. And no me vengas con because I know you're going to say that one. That one doesn't count, although it's a very good one to be fair. And before you go, let me ask you something. Did you find this useful? Do you like my teaching method? Bueno, pues, if that's the case, o sea, entonces, join my community Spanish with Patreon School if you want to speak fluently and have a good laugh. Remember, we've got a full course from A1 to C2, todos los niveles. Weekly speaking practice with myself and other Spanish native teachers. And lo más divertido, real life meetups all over the world. And notice, this is a community, not just the one-off course. I am going to be there to support you throughout your Spanish journey all along the way. ¿Estás listo to take your Spanish to the next level? Venga, vamos.